Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener, where you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. We'll delve into the fascinating world of plants, exploring the delicate balance of soil, water, and life that allows them to thrive. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, join me, Albert Hugh, on this journey as we discover the joys and rewards of nurturing a green space that's both beautiful and environmentally friendly. Our first adventure takes us to a humble compost bin, a place where nature's recycling process begins. Here we witness the transformation of everyday waste into something incredibly valuable. Microorganisms are hard at work, breaking down organic matter into rich, earthy compost. These tiny creatures, including worms and bacteria, play a crucial role in this natural process. Compost, often called black gold by gardeners, is a treasure trove of nutrients. It enriches the soil, helping plants grow stronger and healthier. This dark, crumbly substance is the result of weeks or even months of decomposition. By composting our kitchen scraps and garden waste, we help reduce the amount of garbage going to landfills. This not only cuts down on waste but also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, making it an eco-friendly practice. Join me as we delve deeper into the art of composting, learning how to create the perfect environment for those microscopic heroes to work their magic. We'll explore the best materials to use, how to maintain the right balance of greens and browns, and tips for speeding up the composting process. Water is the lifeblood of a garden, but with increasing water shortages, conserving this precious resource is crucial. That's where rainwater harvesting comes in. Imagine a system that captures rain, channeling it into storage containers to nourish your plants. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of chemicals that can be harmful to plants. Let's explore the various methods of rainwater harvesting, from simple rain barrels to more elaborate systems. Imagine a garden that delights the eye and provides a sanctuary for native wildlife. Native plants are perfectly adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, making them resilient and low maintenance. They provide essential food and habitat for native insects, birds, and other wildlife. Join us as we explore the wonderful world of native plants, discovering the unique species that call your region home. Learn how to create a garden that's not only beautiful, but also an ecological haven. In the heart of a forest lies a secret weapon in the fight against weeds and water loss: mulch. Mulch acts like a protective layer, shielding the soil from the harsh sun and keeping it cool and moist. It also suppresses weeds, reducing the need for backbreaking weeding. Join me as we delve into the world of mulch, exploring the different types available. Learn how to apply it effectively to create a thriving, low-maintenance garden. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet to thrive. Organic fertilizers provide a gentle, sustainable way to nourish your garden without harsh chemicals. They release nutrients slowly into the soil, providing a steady supply of food for your plants. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, organic fertilizers enhance soil structure and promote a healthy ecosystem. Join me as we explore the world of organic fertilizers, learning about the different types available and how to use them effectively. In the intricate web of life within a garden, plants have formed fascinating alliances. This is the essence of companion planting, harnessing the power of plant partnerships to create a healthier garden. Imagine planting basil alongside your tomatoes to deter pests, or intercropping carrots with onions. Some plant pairings improve soil fertility, like beans enriching the soil for nitrogen-loving plants. Let's delve into the world of companion planting, discovering how to create harmonious plant communities. Imagine a garden alive with the gentle hum of bees, their tiny wings creating a soothing symphony as they flit from flower to flower, and the dance of butterflies, their colorful wings painting the air with grace. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds play a vital role in our ecosystem, ensuring the reproduction of many plants and the production of fruits and seeds. Unfortunately, their populations are declining due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. By creating pollinator-friendly gardens, we can provide these creatures with the food and shelter they need to thrive. Planting a variety of native flowers, setting up bird feeders, and avoiding harmful pesticides are just a few ways to make a difference. Join me as we explore how to create a welcoming haven for pollinators and ensure a future filled with their beauty and bounty. Together, we can make our gardens a sanctuary for these essential creatures. The lush green lawn has reigned supreme, but it's a thirsty, high-maintenance monoculture. Lawns require vast amounts of water, fertilizers, and pesticides, depleting resources and polluting waterways. Reducing your lawn area can have a significant impact, allowing you to create spaces for native plants, pollinator gardens, or edible landscapes. Join me as we explore creative ways to rethink our lawns, transforming them into thriving ecosystems that support biodiversity. In a world grappling with overconsumption, one person's trash can become another's treasure in the garden. By rethinking what we throw away, we can find new uses for old items, reducing waste and creating unique garden features. By embracing upcycling and repurposing, we can transform discarded materials into functional and beautiful garden additions. From old tires turned into colorful planters to wooden crates becoming rustic garden beds, the possibilities are endless. Imagine old pallets reborn as vertical gardens, providing a space-saving solution for growing herbs and flowers. These vertical gardens not only look stunning, but also make efficient use of limited space. Or plastic bottles transformed into mini greenhouses, perfect for nurturing seedlings. These bottle greenhouses are a fantastic way to give new life to plastic waste while supporting your gardening efforts. Even broken pots can be repurposed into charming mosaics, adding artistic flair to pathways and planters. These mosaics not only recycle broken items, but also bring a touch of creativity and color to your garden. Join me as we embark on a journey of creative reuse, discovering the endless possibilities of gardening with recycled materials. Together, we can make our gardens more sustainable and beautiful, one recycled item at a time. Well, there you have it. 9 eco-friendly gardening hacks to help you cultivate a greener thumb. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Happy gardening!